today we're making spring rolls! Woohoo! Oh, you're supposed to only see the top half of my body. Quarantine! Julienning carrots, putting it into a mason jar, adding cane vinegar, sprinkling sugar, matchsticks cucumber, also in a mason jar, and more sugar with cane vinegar, and saran wrap them because I lost the cap, slicing up some daikon, aka radish paper, add some peanut butter,
Looks like caca.
To make the dipping sauce, add some sugar, red pepper, ground pepper, lemon juice, and swirl it all up and put it in a ramekin. And cut up some lettuce for bite-sized size. Steam some shrimp, cut into halves, soaking off in the wrap, got rice paper, and dip into hot water. Make sure the whole thing is dipped in wet so it can absorb and become squishy. But you gotta act fast. Add the shrimp. You got 1, 2, 3. Pickled daikon, pickled cucumber, pickled carrots, everything pickled. Get the lettuce, put it in, wrap it up like a burrito. Left, right, pressurize, and wrap it up and eat it. So these are the spring rolls that we're gonna try out. And this peanut sauce that she made by scratch.
My peanut sauce.
Peanut sauce?
Like a little dab is enough. I don't know about like a lot.
What kind of sauce?
Peanut?
You heard that, right?
What?
Did you put some lemon in here or something?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like citrusy. It's like really good. Oh, in here. Peanut sauce.
I don't get it.
You want some of this peanut sauce?
Ew. I don't get it. Why are you laughing? Final opinion?
It makes me like quarantine.
You weren't supposed to eat the mic. Oh.
JORI MEZUDA.